Home sales in Toronto are down 69% for the first half of April. CTV's chief financial commentator, Patty Levitt-Reid, is joining us now. Hey, good morning to you, Patty.
Hi, Lindsey. Good morning.
Okay, so I mean, no surprise that home sales are down, right? But I'm wondering, okay, the home sales are down. What is that doing to the value of our homes?
Well, the value has come down. I would say detached homes took it on the chin the hardest, down about, let's call it prices 9.1%. The first time home buyers sitting on the sidelines right now, that's down about 2.9% in terms of prices. But I think you raise a really good point, Lindsay. Physical distancing, there are fewer speculators out there buying. There isn't a lot of confidence right now because we just don't know how the job market is going to turn out. So we have a logistical issue here. What I'm hoping is it doesn't turn into an economic issue. But I will also throw out there the real estate board, the Toronto Real Estate Board, does see prices sort of holding steady between 2019 and 2020.
And you think about when you talk logistics, you think about how do you go about buying a home right now when you can't physically get
Yeah.
there? I feel like real estate agents are being quite creative right now.
You're absolutely right. In fact, I've written a blog on it. I think they're going to post it later. And I'm also putting tips on Instagram around that because I do think this is going to disrupt real estate as we know it. There will be a lot of digital buying and selling going on. How creative you get, how you present yourself, video conferencing. I mean, the landscape is changing very quickly. We're making the assumption that physical distancing will change in the not too distant future. But some might argue it won't. And if it doesn't, businesses are adapting. I think you raise a great point.
Okay, I have to ask you about oil before we go,
Yeah.
Patty. What's the
Okay.
latest?
Okay. Okay. So the June contract is in place. It dropped yesterday about 40%. It's trading just above $11. I will wrap up by saying there's going to be one solution here, and that is a production cut of a huge magnitude by Saudi Arabia as well as Russia to stop the hemorrhaging. We haven't seen it. We haven't heard about it. We know they're watching, so we'll see what happens. By the way, the futures are higher. They're higher because of a stimulus package coming out of the US, another one to the tune of $484 billion.
It's always nice to end on a positive note, so we're going to do that, Patty. Hey, always great to see
Every
you.
day.
We'll chat with you soon, okay? Every day.
You bet. Thanks, Lindsay.
Thanks for watching. If you like this, be sure to subscribe here.
And you can check out more Your Morning videos right here.